So hey guys, in today's video we're going to be playing rivals, but there's a catch. I cannot get my favorite weapons. I cannot switch to them, so I need to use the bad weapons. I cannot use my favorite ones. I don't really have some good weapons, so please don't. And I don't really have a good aim, so please don't judge my skills. Just please. Oh wait, let me join this guy. Oh, sorry. Okay, where is he? What the hell? Okay. Oh, why is arena not? I don't know when arena's gonna get deleted. So yeah. Assault rifle, cause the ball is good. Uzi. I'll get the handgun, the fists, and the grenade. I don't know if these are bad, but yeah. Okay. I just failed. Are you kidding? Okay. I'm lagging. Or is he lagging? He might be lagging. I'm not sure. He's on the computer. What's going on? Is he the one that's lagging, or am I lagging? Guys, this is weird. I have no clue what's going on. I think I might be the one lagging. Am I playing on an? Oh, I swear I'm playing on an app. I am not playing on an Android. What's going on? I'm just gonna wait because I cannot do anything about it. Actually, guys, I cannot. Look, what the hell? This is actually there. This is weird. Anime boat. Oh. One. Okay. So I think he was the one lagging, guys. He was the one. I don't know. Cause if I was lagging, it would be. Yeah, he's definitely the one lagging. You know what? I want to reset. Oh, what happened? What the hell? Wait, what? Oh, he disconnected. He disconnected, guys. Okay, let's not go against a player that is. Now I'm the one that's lagging. Great. Okay, yeah, good. I haven't used my weapons because I also forgot what kind of video I'm doing. I'm kind of dumb. But yeah, I don't know what's going on. I want to. No. So, yeah. Searching. Please. Why am I lagging? Why am I? Whoa. What the? Whoa. Oh, finally. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm not gonna use my favorite weapons. So yeah. And also don't judge my skills, cause I have no idea. I don't really play rivals that much, so I'm really sorry. Let's play arena. Should we? What maps should we do? I think arena. I cannot talk. Arena. Assault rifle. Is usually good. I'm just gonna do handgun, and yeah. Let's see if I can win with these weapons. Oh. Wait, oh my gosh, I'm under fire. Don't touch my skills! Please don't touch. That's embarrassing. Don't touch my skills, guys, please. If some pros are watching this, please don't make fun of me. Oh my gosh, I have to get away from the fire. Oh my gosh. Grenade! Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid! I am so dumb. Okay. Hey, can I do it? Yes! I did it! I did it. Okay, it's 1-1. So, let's see how this will go. Where are you? Oh my gosh, really? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I cannot. Oh my gosh. How could I not see? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my health! My health! Oh my gosh, I'm down. What's wrong? Where's this guy? Don't judge my skills. I said that like 1,000 times. Why am I doing that? Yeah. He's gonna win. I know. Wait. Oh. Okay. So. Oh, get him. Oh. Yeah. I am gonna delete my channel. This is so embarrassing. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Are you kidding me? You know what? I am just gonna delete my channel. This is so embarrassing. Why? You know what? I think he wants to go again because for some reason, guys, please explain why this always time is closed up because teleporting. Yeah. One more game, and if I lose, I am actually gonna quit, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna quit. I'm not joking. Now, great, I'm lagging. Great, I love this. Oh, never mind, I'm not lagging. So, oh yeah, Arena. Arena's the best map, I hope. Please tell me when it's gonna be deleted, because I do not want it to be deleted. Like, oh, never mind. What the map is this? Knife. Okay, it's good. Oh wait, no. Sometimes knife is good, cause I can just No, I'm not doing. Oh, my friend joined me. Oh yeah, where's this guy? Oh my gosh, how am I shooting at nothing? Oh my god. Ah! Okay, I'm not gonna scream. I swear. Bleeps. Okay, what am I doing? What kind of sound did I just say? Oh, I cannot double jump. Oh my gosh, wait, that was actually... Oh yeah. What the hell? Is that? I swear they're chopping, right? Oh my god. Yeah. Are you okay? I should stop with the sounds. I'm sorry for if for headphone users, I'm sorry. I won't do that again. I swear. Okay, what am I saying? Oh my gosh. You know what? I'm not gonna scream. Just for headphone users. But I am mad. Okay. Sense code. What the hell? Okay, well, I should focus. Okay. I forgot. I'm not gonna scream for headphone users. What am I doing? I'm so dumb. Dumbest person in the world. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Yeah, no. I'm actually trying, guys. Oh my, no, I'm actually trying. I'm just bad. I'm just bad. No, I'm just bad. You know what? Should we go again? Should we go again? No, I'm not. He is way too good. Oh my, yeah. Here's iPhone. Here's iPhone. I am not doing the back rooms. Okay, assault rifle. You know what? Let's do the Uzi. I don't know if it's good, but let's see. Oh my gosh! Okay, maybe it's not good. I don't know. Okay, I don't think nobody's watching my videos. Wait, can I? Oh wait. Okay, I don't know. Oh my gosh! I shouldn't probably. Oh my gosh! Oh, that was sick skin, like knife skin. Okay, this is the last one, and then I don't think you will never see me again. Okay, just kidding. What am I doing? What is this? Yes. Wait, was I doing up? No. But I was. Ow. Okay, so, yeah. Ow. Oh my gosh. I'm playing on mobile. Wait, this guy's also playing on mobile pro. He is really pro. 87. Sorry, what? 80s. Okay. Oh. Dang! That was crazy. Also, if you heard a noise, I don't know. It was something. Okay, what am I doing? Why is it still here? Oh my gosh. Please, I need this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so guys, I swear I'm gonna end this video because that was embarrassing. You problem? Wait, what? Was I using auto? No, I swear I wasn't. Who was that guy talking to? By the way, guys, that was the end of the video. I hope I made you smile. Cause I just want to make people smile. That's all I want to do. Also, yeah, that was the end of the video. Yeah, so thanks for watching and peace out.